Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your CapCut PC version. So here, I've already opened the CapCut PC on my computer, and if you want to know if you're on the latest version, you can just go to the settings in here, and this is my current version, the 3.0, and you can see there will be this update info. So my CapCut is not on the latest version, so if you want to update it, you can just click on this version and there will be this pop-up. So you can see this is the new updates of the version. Now the newest version is the 3.8.0, and to upgrade it, you can just click on this install now button, and CapCut will downloading the newest version, and you can just wait until the process is finished, and you'll get the newest version of the CapCut PC. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.